guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am in the kitchen. Here I am blending up some blueberry and ginger. Yes, girl, I got a bit natural with the juice nowadays. No added sugar, because it's good for your immune system. And I'm gonna show you how I make my own seafood. I'm gonna prepare crab and prawn and then all the good things that go with your seafood. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my video. Don't be shy. If you like the video, just click like. And if you want to leave a comment, don't be scared. I'm open for any comment. It's okay. And just remember to share and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy my video. Here I am cleaning the crab and the prawn. I'm using brown vinegar. You can use the brown one or you can use the white one. It doesn't matter. If you don't have any vinegar, you can use lemon. Now you can remove all the debris from the crab by using a brush. Today I'm just rinsing off the crabs and make sure I clean them properly. Now that everything is nice and clean, freshly cut and prepared to go inside the pot. So you have your crab, your sashes, your egg, your corn, your potato, your little season, your spice. Make sure you clean up the prawn, the eggs on the side, and then you just get your pot ready for bubble up, and let's go. Now that everything is good to go, I have two different pots. One for the potato and the corn and the egg, and the other one is for the crab. So my video is gonna be too long, so the crab's already boiled, so it's just sitting there for me to clean it up. Now that the corn and the potato and the egg is finished, I'm gonna remove them from the water, from the hot water, and then put them at the side and just wait till everything is good to go. You don't know, everything I got go in a one pot, but this is my way of doing it. I like to cook it separate. You can do it together, but I prefer to do it like this. But Lisa, you like work. Why you never use the kitchen brush and just brush off the debris them off of the crab? No, I wanted you guys to see what I'm doing, and that's the reason why I use one hand, brush, bam, bam, and then take the next hand, I hold the camera phone and see. And that me I do. But me not gonna stop clean them crab until these debris gone, you know, because I'm gonna put my crab inside my pot with my prawns and my corn and my potato and my egg and my sashes. So the crab have to clean. Me not lie. That's why me boil my crab separate. You know, I have to clean out the sink now, you know, because the crabs kind of smell one way. Because you know, crabs smell already. You can't leave these things in your sink, you know. And you try to avoid these things going down inside your sink. So I'm just gonna clean it up a bit, and then I come back with my crab again. Yes, me not stop remove them something out of the crab until it nice and clean. Wash, wash, wash. Now that it's clean to my satisfaction, I'm gonna remove the crab back, because you can't eat them things here, you know, and you have to remove them little debris there from it. Yes, take them off. Take them off, guys, because you will see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook the crab in the sauce. So yes, these things have to go. I'm not gonna say what that little thing they find, but people have it to say something. I'm not gonna say it. If you're a lover of crab, you will know I am not removing the flesh by washing the crab inside like this. No, people, the crab flesh is under the shell. Clean, clean, clean. Girl, take the brush now. Still now remember to take out the brush and do it. This is a voiceover. Now that my crab is nice and clean and good to go, yes, I'm satisfied now. Prawns are very easy to cook, and it doesn't matter if you want to season it before or you can season it during cooking. It doesn't matter. They cook very fast and they catch flavors very fast. This is my natural spice, some onion, pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some spring onion and onion on the side, and lots of garlic, people. Seafood need lots of garlic. I like putting garlic because it give it a different flavor. You get me? Now it's the time to add any extra flavor to it to your taste. It doesn't matter. Just do things the way you like. So I'm cooking 3 crab. So you know, say 1 for Ronaldina, my lovely son. 1 for Sarah, my beautiful daughter-in-law. So when you cook, you have to cook with love, you know. And 1 for myself. Yes. Then you just take the little spice and you throw it over it. Make sure everything is good to go. I'm cooking this food with love. Black people cook with love. Yes. I can ask again, how much season for use, how much this for use. We just cook and cook according to with taste bud. So you can do the same. You can do whatever you like and put as much season you like to your taste bud. We cook with love. So soul food, this called soul food. You understand? Little white rice on the side. Take the file paper, cover it, simmer down, then it good to go. Ronaldino, he loves his little white rice. So yes, this seafood is mine. You can see it doesn't have lots of things over it, just plain like that. Yes, the juice at the bottom, you dip as you go. Some want it. Yes, this is mine. Look good though, Lisa. I'm not lie, you're going with yourself. So as you can see, Ronaldina and Sarah food look totally different. The spice and the pepper, everything does throw upon it. My girl over here, so Sarah, she love her lemon. So she have a style of squeezing the lemon all over for her seafood. You see them, I take them photograph. My son and my daughter-in-law proud of me. So if you've been watching my video, you know anytime I touching at the kitchen, I like my things to look proper, like a professional thing I go on. So let me talk about this blender. Thanks to my special friend, he was watching one of my videos and he saw that I was using a little blender at the time. I was making Guinness punch with carrot juice and ice cream, and he said, Lisa, you don't have one proper blender, because you're up on YouTube, you have to have proper blender. I said, no, you would assist me not have it, because I would use it. So he said, Alicia, I'm going to get you one blender. And he did. He got me this Ninja blender. Thank you very much to my special friend and subscriber. Today I'm making blueberry and ginger juice with no added sugar. So when I finish with this juice now, I'm just going to put it inside the fridge to chill. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Alicia Christopher YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye, guys.